Power, performance, prestige. This is how American motorcycles rewrote the rules of freedom and shaped a national legend. Born from rebellion, American motorcycles became symbols of freedom and boldness on roads that promised new beginnings. Innovative engines gave American bikes that signature roar, raw, throaty power refined through generations of bold innovation. From expansive highways to scenic coasts, U.S. motorcycles are engineered for long-distance comfort and effortless, smooth handling. Customization is an American tradition, a personal statement on wheels. Every modification reflects the spirit and soul of its rider. Loyalty runs deep. American brands unite communities, forging lifelong bonds in roadside diners and across open stretches of asphalt. Prestige isn't just the badge. It's the experience, premium service, trusted legacy, and the pride that comes from owning American iron. More than a machine, it's a rolling piece of the American dream. The legend of the open road continues.